Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use AirDrop to share files on iPad Air 13 2026. First of all, make sure both Apple devices that are located nearby to each other have their Bluetooth enabled. Then find some file that you want to share, for example a photo, and each file will have the share icon somewhere around it. And if you tap this share icon and select AirDrop, you'll be able to use your AirDrop to share. Just make sure that another device also has the AirDrop enabled. To enable it, go to the connectivity menu in the control center and enable receiving for the AirDrop. Then select your device from the list and confirm receiving this file on your other device. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.